Hello everyone, it's time to start your detox journey. And what I really enjoy about the detox that we do every single year together is it's easy and there's no thinking. So you'll see in your detox box, you get the blender bottle, there's a packet of nutrients that you take once a day, which helps your liver and your gallbladder. And then you get the pouch of powder, which you put in your blender bottle. You put it with water, coconut milk or almond milk. You shake it up and you drink it once a day, and that helps with your digestion. Now, one of the most common things that people think about when it comes to detoxification is colon function and your digestion. So you might be thinking, well, I don't have constipation or diarrhea, so why would I do a detox? Because I eat really clean. And I want you to think for a moment as you go through the year with your environmental toxins, maybe it's cleaning products, makeup products. If you're a woman, you're putting these ingredients on your body, but all of us are exposed all the time, which impacts our immune system. So in our office, we have we call it the wellness evaluation. And some of the questions on there really help us tailor your nutrients to what's going on. But I want you to ask yourself for a moment right now, do you have sinus congestion or nasal congestion? That's probably one of the biggest things we see in our office that are inflammation markers. So sinus congestion, nose congestion. Another question is, do you have airborne allergies or asthma? These are also indicators that your immune system may be compromised due to having inflammation. But we talk about the liver gallbladder complex so much that liver is like your oil filter processing everything. And 8 out of 10 people could have a fatty liver. And this is not necessarily from alcohol, but it could be from juices, fruits, oils. It could be from these hidden ingredients that are now in a lot of the products that you may be consuming and you're not even aware, even though you're looking. Another body signal of toxicity is confusion or poor memory. So let me ask you, what did you eat for breakfast today? Well, some of you, maybe you haven't eaten breakfast yet, but when we are talking to our members, and sometimes I know when you have a fruitful schedule and you're on the go, you're not necessarily thinking, but poor memory, confusion, if you want to just have that sharpness, some clarity, consider working on cleaning up your gut and your microbiome. It's all about helping things get rid and out of your body, but also help to support your colon for healing. Another question is on here, do you get skin rashes or eczema? I know right now during this season, we have a lot of our members, they have psoriasis, eczema, or maybe little bumps on their arms and they're wondering what the heck is going on. I must just have dry skin. So you might be putting creams and lotions and all kinds of things topically on your body. But what if I told you it may not be a deficiency in lotion? It could be that your digestion and your colon is very toxic right now and needs to rest and digest. So again, some body signals you could be experiencing: sensitivities to food, congestion, skin issues, bloating. We talked about constipation or diarrhea, but I want you to think about even having joint discomfort and different things that could show up in your body. So if you're watching this, whether you're here or you're streaming us, consider starting a detox program with us. If you're here in our Westlake office, ask myself or Dr. Anthony for our little survey. It's called the Wellness Evaluation. We would love to do that little quick couple-minute assessment on you to see how we can help to support you. I know you'll be glad you did.